Hey there everyone, this is Nick as founder and CEO at Hitgoc. So in previous video we saw how to work with arrays in JavaScript, right? So we basically used for loop to print all the elements inside the array in the console, right? So in today's video we're gonna see a pre-built method inside JavaScript, right? We call it map, right? It's a map method or function, whatever you may like to say, right? So it is basically, it's a array dot map. So what does it do basically is this map function iterate over each element inside this array. It works quite similar to for loop, right? But for loop is an old fashioned way, kind of like. I'm not basically debating between map function and for loop. Each function has its own benefit. So yeah, anyway, let's go with map. It works same as the for loop, right? So it takes three arguments, right? First one is, okay, first of all, let's give it a callback function, right? So inside this callback function we have something called, right, in this callback function parameters, we have around three parameters, right, or arguments. First one is the item is basically the element inside this array, right? Item could be this item, or that item, this one, yeah, right. And comma, another, see, callback function, first one is value, right, again, then number, uh, string or number, yeah, the value, string or number, it could be string or number. Then second argument is the index of that element, right? And the third is the array itself, right? Here the array is this, so the third argument would return this, again, this array. I don't know why this third argument is quite unnecessary, but it may has some great benefits in some complex tasks, right? So yeah, we got index, and at last we got, okay, let's just call it array data, right? Now we could call it array. Cool. So that's its item, index, and array. Cool. Now that we got three arguments, let's just console the log item, right? I'm gonna label it down, comma, item. Let's just console the log. Oops. Um. Okay. Here, live server. Okay. Let's just open our console. It goes the console. There we go. So yeah, we got the elements inside the array, right? As I told you earlier, it works quite similar to for loop, right? So we got the items of this array, right? And also we can print index of this element together, right? It's an index. So index is 0. This item has index 0. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. And we can also console.log the array, or we can call it existing array, right? Cool. So yeah, this is the array basically, right? So this is how the map function works. This is a necessary part, right, when it comes to basically mapping a large data, right? And it's pretty much used in React.js and Next.js, right? It's a core concept there. So just make sure to practice it down, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it about the map function in the JavaScript, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos. Peace out.